you think it's nice?
It ain't finished. You got a lot to go.
God, poke it when it's finished.
Why you say that for?
Hmm?
Why you act like that
I
for?
don't understand it.
So just because you don't understand something, you put it down right away?
Yeah, I'd rather put something else on the wall than just that.
But if you don't understand it,
so
just...
that you can understand.
See, that's the whole thing about this whole movement, is to try to understand other people's life and other people. If I didn't understand you and understand the way you were, I wouldn't put you down. You know, I'll try to understand, and if I don't understand it, then I wouldn't say
They are
nothing.
in the country. Look at every day there's somebody's killed. I mean, every time you put the television...
But this ain't killing everybody.
Somebody's got killed. I mean, it isn't Britain anymore.
I don't know about that.
It isn't England anymore.
I don't understand.
But it isn't easy exporting America's hip-hop culture to those who aren't hip.
And then we have to copy America? Lady in hell.